मेटल रे फिजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट थिला जेटर थिला स्टेट ऑफ मेटल हाउ मेनी स्टेट ऑफ मेटल 5 स्टेट पांचटा स्टेट कौन कौन थिला सॉलिड लिक्विड गैसियस प्लाज्मा एंड बीसी बट तुम्हारा केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन प्योर एंड मिक्सचर प्योर सब्सटेंस मीन element divided into two types element and a compound element already complete now we go to read about the compound mean what mean when again clearly सुनो when a compound is formed by the combination of two or more than two elements with a fixed ratio by their mass. Means compound is formed by the union or combination of two or more than two elements with a fixed ratio by their mass. Means compound is formed by the combination of two or more than two elements with fixed ratio by their mass. Mean compound is formed by the combination means what? By the union or combination of two or more than two elements दुई किबा ताठो अधिक एलिमेंट मिसी की गोटे कंपाउंड फॉर्मेशन कोई खाली मिसी रहबनी दे कोन विथ ए फिक्स्ड रेशियो बाय देयर मास व्हाट डू मीन बाय रेशियो फिक्स्ड मीन कांस्टेंट व्हाट डू मीन बाय रेशियो अनुपात ओके गोटे फिक्स्ड रेशियो रे सपोज हमें वाटर हाइड्रोजन H2O यार यदि मास हला 2 यार मास हला 16 देन रेशियो केते 1:8 and 1 is if they mixed with 1:8 ratio then it form water suppose it is 1:8.1 या or 2:8 2:8 mean what 2:7 then that is not water यदि 2:7 ratio नहीं गलो ताले से केबे भी वाटर हबनी कि कंपाउंड से वाटर कंपाउंड हबनी clear with a fixed ratio by their mass clear what is compound is formed by the combination of two or more than two elements with a fixed ratio by their mass clear for example suppose sodium chloride NaCl water H2O sodium carbonate Na2CO3 glucose C6H12O6 alcohol ethanol C2H5OH etc. Clear? Then compounds again divided into two types. Compounds are divided into two types. One is organic compound. Another one is inorganic compound. inorganic compound. One is organic compound, another one is inorganic compound. Then now you are interested to know about the organic compound. Organic compound कौन जानेगा? Organic mean what? Organism. Organism means a living organism. Okay. But all concepts about the organic compound. Then organic compound कहूछु organic compound it would all concept अछि the compound obtained from living organism. Why it is called organic compound? Because it comes from the living organism. नाम देहरे जा अछि, बेगो देहरे जा अछि, कोछ देहरे जा अछि. That is the old concept. Ki the compound obtained from living organism are called what? Organic compound. Organic compound. Okay. This is an old concept. So what? The compound obtained from living organism. The compound which we have found from the living organism, which are present inside the living organism. But the concept will change. Why it is called old concept? Now it is changed. Why? Because the compound present inside the living organism. Now it does that can prepare in laboratory. से सब compound को हमें कौन रहे? Laboratory prepare करी पारुଛୁ. Artificially prepare करी पारुଛୁ. First urea टा ही prepare ହେଇतला. तापरे आज का डेट में सब organic compound हमें artificially prepare करी पारुଛୁ. जेतरे कि new concept रे तारा चेंज कर दिया definition. The compound of hydrocarbon and their derivative. The compound of hydrocarbon. The compound of hydrocarbon and their derivatives. Compound of hydrocarbon and their derivatives are called what? Are called not new compound, are called organic compound. The definition says organic compound. The order चला कि living organism पाखु जेटा आछि that is organic compound. ये आछि the compound of hydrocarbon and their derivative. Hydrocarbon means the compound formed with the hydrogen and carbon. Hydro mean what? Hydrogen. Carbon, hydrogen and carbon को नहीं जैसे को compound है ची that is called hydrocarbon. And their derivative mean hydrocarbon को derive है by adding some functional group. सब इनु तमे पढ़थिबो सक्रिय group. Suppose CH4 अछि 1H is replaced, then what? CH3OH. That is the derivative of hydrocarbon because it derived from the hydrocarbon. H replace हला OH is a functional group or सक्रिय group. से OH का सक्रिय group कइबे ना पढिछ OH का कार functional group कइबे ना alcohol. Very good. Okay, suppose CH3Cl, that is the derivative of what? Hydrocarbon derived. Then question arises CO2, carbon dioxide, is a organic compound या inorganic compound? Organic compound होगा ना नहीं? Obtained from living organism. तुम देखो तेरे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अच्छी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड या इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कोई परिया ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड भूल कहीं इट इज नॉट अ हाइड्रोकार्बन से हाइड्रोजन नहीं इटा हाइड्रोकार्बन नो so it is not a organic compound it is inorganic compound can you give the example of organic compound example C6H12O6 कौन है ग्लूकोज C2H5OH इथानॉल CH4 methane etc. And the study about organic compound is called organic chemistry. It is the branch of chemistry. हम chemistry का part क्लियर यार बहुत concept अच्छे हमारे फर्स्ट ईयर अच्छे हम पढ़े बोले आपको but it is a great concept about the organic chemistry. Organic chemistry means study about the organic compound. ऊपर organic compound बहुत देर पढ़ेगा clear now organic compound clear organic compound वाले पे कौन कहेगा obtained from living organism या compound of hydrocarbon and their derivative compound of hydrocarbon and their derivative because you are the new generation student not old generation student okay now the organic what is the definition of organic compound the compound of hydrocarbon and their derivative compound of hydrocarbon and their derivative are called what organic compound clear then inorganic compound lecture tau then jiba kedu inorganic compound organic compound inorganic compound except organic compound or other compound are called what inorganic compound except organic compound all other compound are called what are called inorganic compound for example what is called NaCl HCl Na2CO3 water etc. Water also obtained from living organisms. What are the living organisms are not water but it is not organic but why there is no carbon about what like carbon clear Ajay clear then goes to mixture here part is complete element be complete compound be complete okay अच्छा था mixture mixture में थोड़ी सी करूँ खाई चल से mixture पड़े ना कौन mixture पड़े अलग किसी देखो फर्स्ट कोना mixture is obtained by the combination of two or more than two element or compound with any ratio okay the compound means the mixture is formed by the combination of two or more than two element or compound with any ratio सेतरे थिला with fixed ratio एतरे कोन हला with any ratio तमे जहा को जहा सहित मिक्सचर मिक्सचर एटी सीमेंट बाले गुडी मिक्सचर तो मिक्सचर एटी लूण पानी गुडी देले मिक्सचर एटी मुढी काकुडी प्याज बिलाती गुडी देले मिक्सचर है कि नहीं mean mixture is formed by the combination of two or more than two element or compound with any ratio by their mass सेठी थला कोन गोटे फिक्स्ड रेशियो एठी any ratio in case of compound the constituent particles they lose their own properties ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର own property ଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଲୁଜ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତି suppose you give an example of carbon dioxide have you seen carbon तुमे देखिছো कार्बन देखिছো के देखलो देखिए ना के देखलो पेंसिल भीतर ग्राफाइट that is a form of carbon कोक कोयला के देखिছো ओके that is a form of carbon से केमतिका ए सॉलिड देखिबा को ब्लैक बट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ता भीतर कार्बन अछि तुमे जानि पारछो कार्बन से ब्लैक देखाउ तुमको ना that change their own property change is in case of water hydrogen is a self burning element से निजे जली जाए and oxygen help for burning but when they mix with water they help to extinguish the fire को लिभेबार साहाय्य करूची हो कि नहीं they change their own property but in case of mixture they do not lose their own properties the constituent particles don't lose their own properties okay and it separated separate easily हमें चाहिए constituent particle को separate करी परिबा separate easily clear example solution of water and sugar example air example sand and water sand and salt etc clear दिया तो हमें जहां को जहां से तो मिसे that form what mixture okay now mixture again divided into two types mixture को पुणी दि प्रकार कराय तेरा को again divided into two types one is homogeneous mixture another one is heterogeneous mixture सजातीय मिश्रण mixture are again divided divided into two types. One is what? Homogeneous mixture. Another one is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Then we go to homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. Homo mean what? Homo mean equal. Homo iso it mean what? Equals. So the mixture having equal composition throughout the substance. Means suppose you make a solution of salt and water. तुम गोटे salt water रो solution कर देना. ହେଲା तर तार जे कोनोसी पार्ट रो नै कि देखिबो सेम टेस्ट लागतो सेम उनिया लागतो ना गोटे जगह बहुत कंसंट्रेशन थिबो गोटे जगह बहुत कम थिबो कि because that equally distributed. Suppose you give an example of air. एई जगह रे एयर रो नाइट्रोजन जति परसेंटेज अछि सी कबाट कोन बेसी अछि. They have the equal composition throughout the substance. So that is what? Homogeneous mixture. Suppose you take a mixture of sand and salt. लूण बाली को गुड़े दीजिए. Okay, and if you take two halves and two amounts, then you find the different amount of sand and salt. केतरे बेसी salt थिबो कम sand थिबो, केतरे बेसी sand थिबो कम salt थिबो. बुझी होची? Because they are not equally distributed. केबे equally distributed हे परिबो? And homogeneous mixture mean what? A mixture which have equal composition throughout the substance. Throughout the substance. Throughout the substance are called what? Are called homogeneous mixture. For example, कौन कहले? Solution of salt and water. Solution of salt and water, air, alloy मैंने बुझा इति मिश्र धातु. Suppose brass, bronze, etc. Are the example of what? Homogeneous mixture. Can you say milk is a homogeneous mixture or not? Milk is a homogeneous mixture. True or false? False. It is not a homogeneous mixture. Why? It is a colloid. It is a heterogeneous mixture. Blood, milk, it looks like a homogeneous mixture, but actually it is not homogeneous mixture. Then heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture means what? A mixture which don't have equal composition throughout the substance. A mixture which don't have equal composition. Equal composition throw out the substance are called heterogeneous reaction. Are called heterogeneous mixture. Okay, a mixture which don't have equal composition throughout the substance. Mean, for example, what is solution of sand and solution of sand and salt mean blood etc. etc. Clear? This is the complete classification of matter. Mean matter, classification of matters are two types. One is physical classification, another one is chemical classification. Physical classification means that is the state of matter. There are 5 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma and waves. But chemical classification, there are 2 types. One is pure, another one is mixed. Pure means same composition, means compound with the similar molecules or atoms. Then pure again divided into 2 types. One is element, another one is compound. Element means it is the simplest form of matter which cannot divide further. There are 118 elements. Element again divided into 3 parts: matter, non-matter, metalloids. Compound means what? Compound is formed by the combination of 2 or more than 2 elements with a fixed ratio by their mass. Clear? It is again divided into 2 types. One is organic compound, another one is inorganic compound. What is organic compound? Organic compound means the compound of hydrocarbon and their derivatives are called organic compound. Inorganic compound means except hydrocarbon or being organic compound, all other compound are inorganic compound. Then go to mixture. Mixture is formed by the combination of 2 or more than 2 element or compound with any ratio by their mass. Okay, the preparation process is very simple. The constituent particle do not lose their own properties. They can separate easily. Can prepare easily, separate easily. Okay, then mixture again divided into 2 types: homogeneous, heterogeneous. Homo means equal. What equal? The composition equals. Hetero means different. What different? The composition are different throughout the substance. Example. Clear? Classification of metal. Everyone clear? Then now we go to measurement.